What's going on? June with the Sushi Man, and in this video, we're gonna try something new. This is a series I'm calling Will It Sushi, where I take non-traditional ingredients or meals and try to make it into sushi. And then of course, I'm gonna taste it at the end to see if it's any good. And to start the series off, I'm going to be using a meal from my favorite fast food joint, Chick-fil-A. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So very first, the most important ingredient of them all, the sushi rice. Because remember, as long as the vinegar sushi rice is used, no matter what ingredient you put inside, it's still technically sushi. Alright, so I got a Chick-fil-A deluxe sandwich meal. Now let's go through this and see what we can use. Chick-fil-A sauce, that's a must. Waffle fries, gotta love those. Now let's see the sandwich. Okay, I'll use the chicken, of course. Tomatoes. Lettuce will work well. And why not the pickles too? I think the only thing I'm not going to use here is the bun. It's a bit of a carb overload with the rice. Alright, now let's prep these ingredients. Duh. So annoying when that happens. Alright, I have everything ready to roll. Now, I'm not going to guide you step by step like I would typically do, since this isn't that type of video. If you want to learn how to roll sushi though, I have plenty of tutorial videos on my channel, so be sure to check those out. Alright, now it's time to plate. And look at that. I gotta say, this is a pretty cool looking roll. How it's going to taste? Well, we shall see. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far and want to learn more about making sushi, then be sure to check out my book. It's called How to Make Sushi at Home, a Fundamental Guide for Beginners and Beyond. It's packed with so much sushi knowledge and tons of recipes with step-by-step instructions. We're talking how to source fish, cut sashimi, make rolls, nigiri, chirashi, temaki, gunkan, tempura, I mean pretty much anything sushi related it's in there. So check out the links in the description below if you're interested. Alright, now for my favorite part, tasting time. Itadakimasu. Okay. Huh, that's actually not bad at all. It kind of tastes like the sandwich, but just some added texture and umami flavor from the sushi rice. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna try another bite, but dip it in the soy sauce this time. Okay. Not bad, but not really feeling the soy sauce with this too much. But you know, all in all, I'm pretty satisfied and it kind of grows on you. It's a bit addicting actually. Now, I still prefer it as a sandwich, so don't change what you're doing, Chick-fil-A. But it is a really fun roll, and I can see kids really liking this. Alright, that's it for this video. But before I let you go, I want to know what you want to see me make into sushi next. So let me know in the comments below. Just a quick name of a restaurant or dish like McDonald's, Chipotle, pho, Korean barbecue, tacos, whatever you guys think that'll be entertaining to watch being made into sushi. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying my content. I'll see you on the next one. ありがとうございます。